lesson 10 of learning HTML with Coduo. So far, everything we've built has been in our online code editor. When you start working on an actual website, you'll be doing it on your own computer. Building stuff on your computer is commonly referred to as building it locally. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your local development environment for HTML. The first thing you'll need is a code editor. Like we mentioned in the earlier lessons, you could write your code in any plain text editor like Notepad or TextEdit, but a professional code editor gives you things like syntax highlighting, suggestions for tags, autocomplete, and a ton of other features that make development a lot easier. There are tons of code editors like Sublime Text, Atom, and Notepad++, but we're going to be using Visual Studio Code. Google Visual Studio Code, and the first result should be the download page. If you're on a Windows machine, download the Windows version, and if you're on a Mac, download the version for Mac. The installation is straightforward, so follow the on-screen instructions and complete the installation. After it's installed, let's create a folder called My-Website. This folder will be where our code for our imaginary website will be. Open up Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, we can open up the folder that we just created. You can now see on the left hand that we have a drop down of our My-Website directory. You can see that there's a new file icon. Click that and we create a new file called index.html within our My-Website directory. Remember, the .html extension is key to letting the browser know that this file is an HTML document. From here, everything should look pretty familiar. You can write the same code that you've been writing in Coduo's online code editor, like so. Now, if we save and open up that file, you can see the HTML is opened up in our web browser, and we can see our code being rendered, similar to the preview tab of our online editor. In the future, you'll create other folders to hold your CSS and JavaScript code, but don't worry about those for now.